Welcome to Made in Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use my 3 favorite simple head wrap styles. So the first one, I'm going to be using 2 dukes, this one and that one. So this one, we're going to use it as a bun internally. So we fold it over like this, make sure that it's tight and it's neat, right? In this one, we just fold it over halfway. So we take the bun and we place it here, just for volume. So take this, right. So you tie it at the back and make sure that it's tight. And make sure that your bun is in the right place. And that your hair is flat so that it can be neat. Now you twist these parts. Twist, you twist, you twist. You twist, you twist. Then you roll it over. And you try to tuck it in. If you feel that you are unable to tuck it in because your duck is short, you can use a pin. But in my case, it's unnecessary. Right. Then you choose a pair of earrings that you feel will look nice. Right. With a traditional attire. This is my dirk. Just fold it a bit here, the top, and cover your head. Right. Make sure that you pull it tight towards the front. And like this. Make sure that this part doesn't show. And then try to wrap your head around as if you are wrapping it towards the top. You see, like this. Right. Tuck it in and make sure that it's tight. Right. If you feel that you can't find a place to tuck it in, you can use a pin like this. Okay. Try to pull it over so that this V can be here at the front. Very nice. Perfect. Okay. So now you can use a pair of earrings of your choice depending on the color of your duck and your attire. I'll use these. Perfect. So I'm going to show you how to wrap your hair during bad hair days. This is my dirk. Just fold it in half. Make sure that your hair is flat so that it's going to look neat. Right? Cover your head. And just put it in the front. Tie it from the front. Just make sure that it's tight. Right? Twist each side, not together, but individually. And roll it around. Twist that side. You also roll this side around. Make sure that it's tight. Fix it. Perfect. Then you choose your pair of earrings. I usually choose black because it goes with any color of my dukes.